The introduction of the Lexus RX to the Australian and New Zealand markets in February 2023 brought with it a comprehensive set of safety features. Standard across all variants are dual frontal, side chest protecting, side head protecting airbags, curtain, and a driver knee airbag. Additionally, a center airbag adds extra protection to front seat occupants in side impact crashes. The Lexus RX boasts an array of advanced safety technologies, including autonomous emergency braking, car-to-car, vulnerable road user, junction assist, and backover, lane support system with lane keep assist, lane departure warning, emergency lane keeping, blind spot monitoring, and an advanced speed assistance system. In crash tests, the Lexus RX's passenger compartment remained stable in frontal offset tests, although dummy readings showed marginal protection for the driver's chest and adequate protection for lower legs. The vehicle's front structure presented a moderate risk to occupants in vehicle-to-vehicle compatibility tests, resulting in a penalty. While the RX performed well in various crash scenarios, including full-width frontal and side impact tests, it faced challenges in certain areas. For instance, the moderate overlap front test highlighted structural weaknesses and potential chest injury risk for rear passengers, resulting in a poor rating. On the positive side, the RX excelled in child safety evaluations, with lower ISOFIX anchorages and top tether anchorages for all rear seating positions. Additionally, the vehicle demonstrated good protection for occupants of different sizes and positions. The Lexus RX's safety suite extends beyond crash protection, with features like pedestrian detection in the autonomous emergency braking system earning a superior rating. Other safety features include seatbelt reminders, a driver drowsiness monitor system, and a lane support system that intervenes when necessary. Additionally, the IIHS testing revealed notable strengths and areas for improvement in the 2023 Lexus RX's safety profile. Crashworthiness. The vehicle displayed commendable performance in various crashworthiness assessments, including small overlap front impacts on both driver and passenger sides, as well as side impacts. However, a concerning finding emerged from the moderate overlap front test, where the vehicle received a poor rating, particularly impacting the safety of rear passengers due to structural deficiencies and increased risk of chest injury. Crash avoidance and mitigation. Notably, the RX's front crash prevention system, equipped with pedestrian detection, garnered a superior rating, showcasing its effectiveness in preventing pedestrian collisions across different scenarios, day or night. Seatbelts and child restraints. The vehicle earned positive evaluations for seatbelt reminders and child seat anchors, emphasizing its commitment to ensuring the proper usage and installation of child safety seats. Other safety features. Standard safety features like daytime running lights, blind spot detection, lane departure warning, and lane departure prevention significantly contribute to the overall safety profile of the Lexus RX. Recommendations. Prospective buyers are advised to consider safety ratings from various reputable sources, including IIHS and NHTSA, to gain a comprehensive understanding of a vehicle's safety performance. Particularly for those prioritizing rear passenger safety, Exploring alternative vehicles with better performance in the moderate overlap front test may be advisable. In conclusion, while the 2023 Lexus RX showcases notable strengths in safety, such as its robust crash avoidance technology and positive evaluations in certain crashworthiness categories, it's essential for potential buyers to carefully evaluate all safety ratings and prioritize their specific safety requirements when making a purchasing decision. The Lexus RX comes equipped with an impressive array of advanced safety features aimed at enhancing driver and passenger protection on the road. These include: the autonomous emergency braking system is designed to detect and react to potential collisions in various scenarios, including car-to-car, vulnerable road user, junction assist, and backover situations. This technology helps mitigate the severity of accidents or even prevent them altogether by automatically applying the brakes if necessary. Lane support system with lane keep assist. The lane support system, complemented by lane keep assist functionality, assists the driver in maintaining their vehicle within the designated lane. By monitoring lane markings and vehicle position, it provides gentle steering inputs to help prevent unintentional drifting out of the lane. Lane departure warning alerts the driver if the vehicle begins to drift out of its lane without the use of turn signals. This feature serves as an additional layer of protection against potential lane departure-related accidents. Emergency lane keeping intervenes in critical situations where the vehicle is at risk of departing its lane due to factors such as driver distraction or impairment. By applying corrective steering inputs, ELK helps avoid collisions or mitigate their severity. Blind spot monitoring utilizes sensors to detect vehicles in the driver's blind spots, typically located on the sides and rear of the vehicle. Visual or audible alerts are provided to warn the driver of potential hazards when changing lanes or maneuvering in traffic. Advanced speed assistance system is designed to identify and display the local speed limit to the driver, allowing them to adjust their driving speed accordingly. This technology promotes safer driving habits and helps prevent speeding-related accidents. Despite the comprehensive suite of safety features, the Lexus RX faced challenges in the moderate overlap front test, which revealed structural weaknesses and highlighted a potential risk of chest injury for rear passengers. This underscores the importance of ongoing refinement and improvement in vehicle safety engineering to address such vulnerabilities and ensure the highest level of protection for all occupants.